It's now yours to conquer.
Get ready to go.
You are at the forefront of a fast-paced and dynamic global economy. Worldwide, leisure and entertainment is on a roll. And you want a piece of the action. Experience the jet-setting lifestyle at a place that is at the center of this global trend. Newport City in Manila, Philippines. Newport City is your ticket to a dynamic travel and leisure culture. Be part of the excitement at the first ever tourism economic zone in the country. A master plan development, Newport is where you can find the hottest destination today, Resorts World Manila. Newport City's pride includes accommodation to suit the most discriminating of tastes. Indulge in Epicurean fantasies. Pamper yourself in shopping adventures. And party like a globetrotter at premium dance clubs and after-hours cafes. Newport City. Witness the evolution of urban living. Newport City's strategic location sets it apart and gives it a distinct advantage. Live in a most coveted address where your home is a gateway to the world. Newport City is the only residential development right in front of Ninoy Aquino International Airport 3. Stay close and connected to the financial hub of the country, the Makati Central Business District. While in direct proximity to business, spend time for leisure at the Villamore Golf Course. This powerful combination of being located in front of the airport, near Makati, and beside a golf course makes Newport a prized location, a precious gem in the real estate world. Choose from 3 Newport Boulevard residences that exude global flair and sophistication. Reap the benefits of living in a premier city at 81 Newport Boulevard. 6 clusters of well-planned units, a variety of outdoor amenities, and a whole lot of opportunities for recreation redefine the meaning of feel-good culture. Raise the bar for luxury living at 150 Newport Boulevard, a residential masterpiece where the comforts of home meet top-notch facilities and world-class entertainment. Finally, 101 Newport Boulevard embraces Art Deco aesthetic and old-world luxury while seamlessly being hip, modern, and new. You are ready to live the life that sets you apart from the rest. The Newport Boulevard Residences, your gateway to the travel and leisure culture, your ticket to the world.